Vandana Palsani here, and I have restarted Melange exhibition. We were three partners, Vandana Nathani, Neelam Garg, and myself. We were doing Melange exhibition since 2008. We've been doing exhibitions for so many years, calling all the designers from across India. Lot of good designers for clothing, jewelry. We have home decor. We have footwear, accessories. You can find anything pertaining to fashion at our exhibition. So all the ladies, calling all the ladies in Chennai, a good friend Rachna, and there are a lot of ladies who have helped me to inaugurate the exhibition. And I hope to move forward, taking fashion to great heights. That's my motto in life, right? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Rachna will say a few words. Rachna?
I'm Rachna Kumar, and I have seen Vandana grow from strength to strength, and I'm so happy the next generation is entering the domain which has been so beautifully carried by Vandana and the gang, which was happening, and now realigning themselves with new fashion ideas, clothing, homeware, and I think we are just eagerly waiting to get in there and explore fashion like never before. And wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
All the
Thank
best,
you.
my dear, and thank you, the press, for giving us such a beautiful coverage. Thank you so
you
much
so
for
much.
giving it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ashna Palsani, and I'm Vandana Palsani's daughter-in-law, and I'm very excited to be a part of Melange. And this will be my first year, but we have a lot of experience. Vandana, my mother-in-law, has a lot of experience, so it's great that she's guiding me also, and we are looking forward to making this a very, very big hit.
Thank you.
Amin.
Thank you.